man, I tell you what, I had an awesome Thanksgiving. And I hope y'all did too. I really do. I hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. But now, what do you do with all the leftovers? Of course, you have your turkey sandwiches. You can take to work on Monday morning, but you've been eating turkey all weekend. Uh, I've seen Hussey. He did an awesome, Thanksgiving. He put everything on his sub. It looked really good. Seen CJ and Nate. They made enchiladas. So I'm like, what can we do? Put our little twist on things. Throw something out there. So why not a turkey cheesesteak? Now, we love Philly cheesesteaks. We love chicken cheesesteaks. Why not a turkey cheesesteak? So what we did is we took our leftover turkey, which was really good, by the way. We smoked ours. And we pulled it apart. Put it in a big bowl. We're going to throw it on the Blackstone here behind me. We're going to throw some cheesesteak seasoning on there. We got some provolone cheese. Now, me personally, I got peppers and onions to put on mine. That's just my preference. Now, I know a classic Philly cheesesteak does not have peppers, and that's fine, but hey, this is what we're doing. So, before we get started doing all this, please like, subscribe, comment, get all that done. It really helps our channel out. We would love to have you with us. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you along with us. While you're down there getting all that done, check out our links. We got a Facebook, we got a Twitter, we got a Pinterest and Instagram. We got a P.O. box. We have an email. We have all kind of stuff down there. Also, there's a playlist of all our Blackstone griddles and maybe with some other recipes. We got smoking recipes and some other charcoal recipes, all kind of stuff down there to check out. But speaking of checking stuff out, let's check out what we're cooking with. Like I said, it's not really going to be a cook. And we are cooking. We're going to cook the peppers and the onions. Boy, it's going to be more of a reheat kind of, making some sandwiches here. So what we have here is we have a good bit of turkey that we have pulled apart here that we smoked yesterday. We have some bell peppers. We have some onion here. We got some provolone cheese. Cheesesteak seasoning. As you see, I've used a good bit of that out of the jar, so we broke out the other jar here. This stuff is hard to find, so if you find it, you better snatch it up because there's some good stuff. Now the bread. The local grocer here in town didn't have much choice on sub bread, so what we did do is buy the big long loaves and cut them in half, and then we got them ready. That's gonna make some big subs. That's what we got. It's gonna be fairly straight, simple, and fairly forward. It's gonna be a quick cook. It's gonna be easy. Now we're gonna get this Blackstone here heating up to about a medium heat on all 4 burners. Get this thing heated up. We're gonna throw some groceries up on here. All right, while this griddle's heating up, I just want to let y'all know this is going to be a really quick cook. We're just reheating the turkey, adding that seasoning into it. The peppers and onions are probably going to take the longest to cook down. Get them softened up like you really would on the cheesesteaks or whatever else you like to put them on. So this cook really won't take long, but it will be something really different with turkey. Okay, we got the griddle up to temp. It's time to throw some stuff on here, but I think I'm going to throw the peppers and onions on first. Like I said, they're going to take a little longer to cook, so we're going to get them on here now. Just take them and just kind of spread them out and get them to cook down. Now, can take a dome, kind of steam them a little bit, but right now, I'm just going to let them cook down a little bit. Oh, y'all, it's smelling good up on this griddle. And it don't smell like Thanksgiving. It smells just good. Put a little water on them, help steam them just a little bit. All right, let's pile this up here. Cook just a little bit. So what we're going to do is kind of pile it up just a little bit, and we're going to put a dome over it. Put a little dome over that. Steam them down. Y'all, this don't smell like Thanksgiving. This just smells good. Yeah, oh, it's going to be good. All right, y'all, I got to show something else off here. You know we have our big dome here, right? Well, you might notice in a lot of our videos we have this. Now this is a hood that was actually sent out to us by Yukon Glory. And I'm gonna tell you, I love this hood. I'm gonna turn these down to about a low. Put down to low on this side. Let me show you what I really love about this hood is. Now check that out. I can cook half the griddle here. I can still cook on this half. There's a link down below in the description for this hood right here, this Yukon Glory hood. It does have a thermometer, it does have a little vent here at the very top. You see, you open it up, got a little warming rack. Works out really good. So we're gonna close that down and let it cook for a little bit. All right, y'all. These onions, pretty well done. Peppers still have a little way to go. We're gonna slide them onions over a little bit. I think I'm gonna turn this burner here off. Let these peppers cook a little more. These peppers are almost done. The onions are pretty much done. We gotta get this turkey on here. If I say chicken, we gotta get turkey. Let's get all this on here. Put some seasoning on here, some cheese stick seasoning. Let's mix it up. Now I went ahead and turned all these burners down to low, and this one's off. Now, like I said earlier, we're not really cooking this turkey, we're just reheating it. So, ain't a whole lot, don't have to go long. Just trying to add that seasoning into it. Sure is smelling good. All right, y'all. This turkey is just about hot. Got it seasoned pretty good. The peppers are almost done. The onions, as you can see, good and hot, ready to go. So just a little bit, we got to toast up some bread and make us some subs. Y'all, the smell coming off this griddle is amazing. This cheesesteak seasoning on this turkey, these peppers, these onions, it is amazing what I'm smelling off this griddle. Now, can't wait to try these things. Y'all look at that. Now, as far as how much cheesesteak seasoning you use, hey, just like I always say, throw a little on there, taste it. If you need more, that's fine. Add it to it. All right, y'all. Peppers are ready. Onions are ready. Turkey's done. It's time to make some subs. Let's slide all this over. What we're going to do is get some just out here in the middle. Let's do two at a time, I guess. All right, y'all. We're going to make two of these. Put some cheese on here. Now, how about y'all? I like some cheesy cheesesteaks. So what we're going to do, if I can ever get this part here we go. All right, I got it, y'all. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that on there. Now, put our bread over the top of that. Oh yeah. There we go. Let that cook. Let's cover them up, get that cheese going down. melted down. Spray just a little bit of water. Let the steam get in there. Get in them buns, get heated up, melt that cheese. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. All right, y'all. Let's check these out. Ooh, ooh, these look good. All right, y'all. Let's try this out. There we go. Wow. Mm. I think it need more cheese. What you think? Need more cheese? Yeah, my buddy showed up. He says need more cheese. So I tell you what, let's put that there. The man said it needs more cheese. That good? Yeah? Okay, he said that's good. Let's see if we can flip this one here. Oh yeah, look at that. Uh-oh. Bread broke apart. That's okay. That's all right. So what we're going to do on that one, watch this. Our bread broke apart, y'all. We're going to fix this. Watch this. So what we're going to do, buddy, take this one and flip it over like that. What you think about that? Like a sub. It ain't always perfect, y'all, but I tell you what, it ain't got to be perfect to be good. We got to get these on the plate. Whoo, them are some big old subs, y'all. Big, big subs. All right, now mine, I want some peppers and onions. What about you? No, no peppers and onions on here, so we'll make one with peppers and onions, one without, and we're going to cut these up. We're going to try them out. You said this one's mine, right? This broke open. That was mine. So I'm going to put some peppers and onions up in here. Man, yeah, look at here. Look at here, look at here. Look at that, look at that. All right, y'all, we got to get some pictures, and we got to eat. Well, y'all look at that goodness right there. Now, this turkey really did turn out good with that cheesesteak seasoning. And these are going to be some awesome subs, y'all. They really, really are. Okay, everything's put together. Now, if I just had somebody here to help me eat this, you know, I've been using that Blackstone dome for a bell. Look what I have, y'all. I got to get me a thing to hang it on, though. A little thing it on, but we'll try it like this. It's ready. It works. Check it out, y'all. You want to eat? Okay. He said yeah, so let's eat. All right, bud. You want no peppers, right? All right, no peppers it is. All right, turn around and show everybody right there how good this is while I grab mine. Ooh, wow. Mm-hmm. Now this is the way to do turkey leftovers right here. Forget your turkey and cheese sandwiches on Monday morning at work. You need turkey cheesesteaks. What about you? You gonna take them to school? There you go. He's gonna take his to school. Thumbs up. Got a thumbs up. That means it's good. So if you're looking for something different to do beside with your turkey leftovers, try some cheesesteaks. Turned out awesome. This is really, really good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, get all that done. And we'll see you next time.